I just spent 45 minutes at the supermarket and spent 30 bucks. I cannot wait to check out the home delivery services and have food come straight to my door for a lot less. So what I love is that this came right to my door. I did not have to go to the supermarket, and it has the recipe and everything you need inside. So let's see what we have. Right? As you know, going to the supermarket, sometimes you have to get more than you need, and I hate to be wasteful. So I love that everything comes portioned out. Like, you're not gonna find this small of a porcini mushroom at the supermarket. You have to buy a big one, and that's a waste of money. They have a small heavy light cream, got my potato, parsnips, and my cooking wine. One thing that I love is that I was able to look at the menus online and choose what I wanted to eat. So what I went with is a sirloin steak with a porcini mushroom cream sauce. So what you see in front of me, I've already prepped from what was in the box, which made it super easy. If I was going to the supermarket, this would be a lot more expensive and harder to prep. I need exactly what you see in front of me, so there's gonna be no waste. Now, I have everything chopped up into 1.5 inch cubes, and I got all of my greens minced. I have my porcini mushrooms soaking. So we're going to season our meat with some salt and pepper on each side. And I have my oven at 425 degrees, nice and hot, so let's get cooking. All right, we're gonna add the olive oil and get started on cooking the vegetables. All right, so while the vegetables are cooking, we are going to heat up this pan and get the steaks going. Ooh, yeah. That's what we're looking for. So we're gonna let those cook on each side for about 5 to 7 minutes. We strained our mushrooms that we soaked in water earlier, so I'm gonna add that to the pan, and the greens of our scallions. And in case you don't have wine, they give you a small portion, which is great, because if you are opening a bottle and you're not gonna use it, it's gonna go bad. So I love that. That's something that'll save you money too. Okay, so the wine is basically evaporated at this point, and so now I'm gonna add the cream in. And the chives. All right, so I have my vegetables that have finished roasting in the oven, and I'm going to start with the plating. So I have our meat, and now adding the vegetables. All right, and now for the glorious looking sauce that I'm gonna pour right over this beautiful piece of meat. All right, it is time for me to dig in, but for more information about meal delivery services, check out bestonlinereviews.com.